The price of crude oil has been on the decline, with concerns that demand for this source of energy will be less in 2015. According to the International Energy Agency, which is a watchdog for 29 countries, demand for oil will be less than it originally predicted next year. It has taken 230,000 barrels off its forecast for oil demand during 2015, which means that demand for oil will grow by 900,000 barrels per day. In turn, this has resulted in a sharp drop in the price of Brent crude oil, and on Friday it closed on less than $62 per barrel. That's a 5.5-year low, with the last time this sort of price was seen being July 2009. IEA said that despite this fall in the price of crude oil, it will take some time before supply and demand responds to this. Part of the reason for the predicted fall in oil demand is because a number of oil exporting countries, such as Russia, are expected to register lower fuel consumption next year. What's more, there has been slow growth in demand for oil since June and a rise in supply as a result of the US shale oil boom. In turn, this meant that the price of crude oil has been falling too. IEA said that the boom seen in the US should push up the production of crude oil to record levels, but that this is likely to fall again in 2015. Meanwhile, the watchdog says that Russia is likely to see adverse effects on its oil production as a result of lower global oil prices, sanctions, and a falling currency. In the UK, the fall in the price of crude oil is also bad news for business sentiment, as it could mean a lot of small firms end up struggling. Some have already become insolvent this year. This story was made possible by QBE, the business insurance specialist.